everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Andrea. I am a part-time reseller. Today I have a collab video with Kami and Veronika, and I'm going to link their YouTube channels down below. We are participating in the 50 listing challenge by Amber. If you don't know who Amber is, she has a YouTube channel and she's a lot of fun to watch. Her channel is Amber Resells, and she created an accountability group and she posted this challenge. So the challenge is to list 50 items on January 30th. We could prep the items the day before, and the day of the challenge we should try to list 50 items. Let's see if I was able to list 50 things on January 30th. I have a lot of items in my death pile. So today I'm doing the prep work. Today I'm going to be sorting everything, removing tags, hanging them up, and steaming them. I'm going to start by my least favorite part, which is this thread up rescue box. There's a pile of stuff there on the floor. I'm going to start by that one because I'm not excited to list that. Those are men's items, and some men's items I get excited to list. Those are very much bread and butter. They are not very exciting, and I have to do a lot of steaming. I just filmed a video and I'm going to start with that pile because I know that if I don't start with that one, it's going to be put away and it's going to take me a long time to get to that. And it's a good thing that I'm joining the challenge because it will help me keep motivated. So right now I'm going to hang them up here. This is what I do with items. I hang them up and I steam them. This is my steamer right here. And after I steam them, I photograph them and then I put them aside, and then later I will measure and I will put them in plastic bags and put them away in inventory. So are you excited to see that? But I'm not gonna sell everything that came in the thread up box. So whatever I'm gonna sell, I'm gonna hang it up, and whatever I'm not gonna sell, it's gonna go in a plastic bag to be redonated. So I'm sorting them now. So on January 30th, I was able to photograph 49 items and I listed 38 of them. And the following day, I listed the remaining 11 items. So I didn't reach the goal of listing 50 items. This is a very high number for me. I am used to listing 10 items a day. That includes processing, removing tags, steaming, cleaning, photographing, and listing. And if I push myself a little bit, I list 20 items, but 50 items, it's a lot. And I have a 5-year-old, so that was very hard. But I was able to do 38, which I think it's a lot considering my circumstances. So I was very happy with my progress. The best thing I can take away from this challenge was, besides the 38 listings that I was able to accomplish in one day, is that I was able to create a better system for listing. So the way I did that day to try to make things faster was I used my phone and I used a tablet and the laptop. So on my phone, I would look up pictures because I use my phone for taking pictures. So I would use Google Lens to look up the pictures, and then I could, get all of the information about the item. And I would make a draft with the pictures and all the information that I got, and then I would use the computer to put everything into my spreadsheet and the measurements. So then I would just copy and paste whatever measurements I had on my spreadsheet into the drafts and make it live. So I'm going to use the system more often, and I think I'm going to be more efficient with the system. So that was a great takeaway from this challenge. So here's a little video of everything that I listed, and from everything that I listed, I sold one item. I sold this Free People dress. So I'm very curious to see how Kami and Veronika did. So if you're also curious to see if they accomplished 50 listings in one day, go to their channel. The link is below. And thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you on the next video. Bye-bye. Friends, don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Just click that button. Go ahead, click that button. Also, don't forget to like it and watch some other videos as well. They're here for your entertainment.